Agno Academy was established to nurture talent through in-demand training spanning innovation, problem solving and career readiness across digital capabilities, workplace effectiveness and personal growth. In 2025, our journey has been both inspiring and impactful. Over the course of the year, more than 20 students enrolled in our exclusive courses and sessions, reaching learners across India and Africa. Each of these students became part of a learning experience designed to nurture practical skills, confidence, and industry readiness. One of the key milestones of the year was our collaboration with Stella Maris College in Chennai, where we delivered aptitude and logical training for the UG and PG students. The sessions were a resounding success, helping students sharpen their problem-solving ability and preparing them to approach competitive exams with confidence. But our journey didn't stop there. We also dedicated time and effort to contributing beyond paid programs. Agno Academy organized career guidance and skill development sessions for students in Tier 2 and Tier 3 colleges across the rural Coimbatore. These sessions open doors for young talents who often lack exposure, ensuring that opportunity does not remain confined to big cities or elite institutions. What we have achieved this year is only the beginning. The milestones of 2025 remind us of the path we are on, a path of consistent growth, collaboration, and community impact. Looking ahead, we see countless opportunities, more sessions, stronger partnerships, and many more young lives ready to be inspired and transformed. Agno Academy continues to stand for one belief: inspiring and educating young minds. Our story has just begun, and the future holds even greater promise.